Ever wondered how those twinkling dots scattered across the night sky come into being, live out their cosmic lives, and eventually meet their dramatic ends? Let's dive deep into the fascinating life cycle of a star. It all starts in a nebula, a vast cloud of gas and dust floating in space. These are not just any clouds, they're stellar nurseries where new stars are born. Under the influence of gravity, parts of these clouds start to collapse on themselves. As the material gathers, its core becomes increasingly dense and hot. This is the very first stage of a star's life, known as a protostar. Now, as the protostar matures, something incredible happens at its core. The temperature and pressure become so intense that hydrogen atoms start to fuse together to form helium. This process releases a stupendous amount of energy, and voila, the protostar graduates to a main sequence star. Our own sun is at this stage of its life cycle, steadily fusing hydrogen into helium, radiating light and heat. But nothing lasts forever, not even stars. After millions or billions of years, depending on their size, stars exhaust their hydrogen fuel. What happens next is a spectacle. Smaller stars like our sun swell into red giants. They then shed their outer layers, which drift away as a beautiful planetary nebula, leaving behind a hot core that we call a white dwarf. The story gets even more dramatic with massive stars. As they run out of hydrogen, these giants undergo a series of nuclear reactions, forming heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Unable to sustain nuclear fusion, their core collapses under gravity, leading to a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. If the star was massive enough, what remains could be a neutron star or even a black hole, objects so dense that not even light can escape their gravitational pull. In the grand tapestry of the universe, each star's birth, life, and death contributes to the cosmic cycle, seeding the universe with elements that can give rise to planets, and even life itself. From the oxygen we breathe to the calcium in our bones, we are literally made of stardust, remnants of stars that lived out their lives billions of years ago. Isn't that something spectacular? So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember you're not just looking at points of light. You're witnessing the echoes of cosmic beginnings and spectacular ends, a story billions of years in the making. And who knows, the atoms that make up you and me might just end up being part of a new star someday. How's that for a cosmic connection? Thanks for joining me on this stellar journey. If you're curious about the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures beyond our world.